So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change language in Stumble Guys. So first of all, go to stumbleguys.com/play. Once you've gone to there, you will see a layout similar to this one once you're logged in. After that, you can see your profile on here, Stumble Pass, you can see tournaments, ranked events, and you can see the play button right here. You can go to settings if you click on this. Through here, you can save your progress. You can see language, server region, in-game notifications, and some other options underneath. If you wish to change the language, you can click the change option. And you can see a lot of the languages which are offered on here, like Spanish, German, French, Italian, and some other languages as well. So find the language that you are most accustomed to. So let's switch it just to show you guys. Just click on it. And you can see right now it's been updated. So all of the features are in Spanish. You can see everything right now is in Spanish. Even the sign that said new, you can see the sign play is also in Spanish right now. If you wish to change back your decision, you can see the options are still in the same place. You don't have to worry about that, even though you can't understand it perhaps. Just click the same process and you can see here the change has been reverted. So you can, again, whenever you feel like, you can do it as many times as you want and just change it to some other language that you're more familiar with. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Stumble Guys or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.